Discover your creative superpower through art, rhythm, and meditation. Creativity is a birthright. Sometimes, just moving color on paper, especially when surrounded by nature, can be the most healing experience. It's not necessarily about the product. Creativity can be about how we feel. We can express through words, design, color, patterns. Simply stating an intention or having a thought, connecting with a feeling, can start you in a direction of expressing something you didn't really understand was inside. The benefits of this can be eye-opening, inspire epiphanies or a deeper understanding of who we are, of who we are becoming, of how our choices impact and navigate our days and our experiences, our connections with each other and ourselves. Simply taking some time with color, texture, some writing, maybe some journaling prompts. Really letting go of the outcome, trying to make it look like something, trying to get it perfect. That can help you just simply be in the moment. Let the mind go. Allow whatever to come out to just flow. Take a deep breath and enjoy the journey.